Hello. You know something? A lot of millionaires, billionaires often reveal secrets behind their success. A common answer is that's right, guys, meditation. But in today's time, in today's hard world, do you find it tough to find out time and meditate often? This video is here with a simple solution. Let me show you some of the top meditation and mindfulness apps that you must have on your phone. Breathe. Remember Hrithik Roshan's dialogue from ZNMD? Bas, saans lete raho. Well, you can do that with the help of this app. Breathe provides guided meditation, inspirational talks, and masterclasses by mindfulness coach Leon Goldberg. There is also a sleep music playlist and calming nature sounds, which together with bedtime readings aim to de-stress and improve sleep quality. It helps develop a self-care schedule and includes music for every mood, along with personalized toolkits as well. This app is the best for goal tracking and costs only ₹249 monthly with a 14-day free trial as well. Now I know that may be a little expensive for some. Although it is expensive, the app is popular because it only requires 5 minutes each day to meditate and has a variety of meditation techniques to choose from. Headspace. Well, we all know how important Headspace is. This app provides sleep music, nature sounds, and sleep casts for better sleep quality and guided meditation techniques for daytime practice. A key difference is that it builds a personalized meditation plan with your input and helps you learn and build on the essentials of meditation. It has a wide array of mindfulness tools, courses, and single meditations that help reduce stress, improve focus, and improve mental health as well. It is priced at ₹1,499 annually with a 14-day free trial period as well. Calm. Remember that Hindi phrase, "Jaisa naam, waisa kaam," fits perfectly for this app. Calm is an award-winning app which has a wide range of calming exercises, meditation practices, and breathing techniques. It also has a sleep section that features various voice talents. Its popularity is due to the easy-to-follow approach that makes it ideal for beginners. Apple users, we got good news. This app is also accessible through your Apple Watch. The annual plan for Calm costs ₹4,699 and it has a 7-day trial period. Simple Habit. Nope, that's not something I'm talking about. The name of the app is Simple Habit. Known for mindfulness on the go, this app offers a range of 5 minutes of exercise to help you get in the habit of daily meditation. It has a growing database of meditation techniques for any time of the day and any goal that you may have set. It focuses on stress relief, specifically designed sessions for traveling and your morning commute, and also features bedtime stories and motivational guides. While most content is accessible for free, there is a subscription charge that allows you to download the meditations. So if you're looking to meditate daily but not looking to pay instantly, this app is a good option. Waking Up. Waking Up has been created by Sam Harris. This app has integrated mindfulness exercises with science-backed meditation courses. It provides additional educational tools about philosophy and free will. In addition to daily guided meditations, it has daily mindful reminders, practice timers, lessons on Zen, and an introductory course to help you understand mindfulness better. There is no free content and the subscription costs ₹299 per month. Guys, before I go, here's something I'd like to leave you with. If you're using a meditation app to help you with your practice, keep in mind that it's just a tool. The real work happens when you commit to showing up for yourself every day, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. Hope this video helped you pick a useful meditation app. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.